You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. We are looking at how to say mommy, as in the little name for your mother, in Spanish. Mama, mama, with a stress on that second A. That's why you have an accent on it, so it's not mama, but rather mama. Mama is how little children call their mum in Spain and other Spanish-speaking countries. Mama is how you say mummy in Spanish, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.